Hey, what's up guys? Samuel here and welcome to a Scratch tutorial. And as you might know, this topic today is animating from the cover, and we're going to be learning how to animate using Scratch. Scratch is a programming language that many people use before they move on to JavaScript. And this is for ages about 5 or higher. So today we're going to be learning about animating, as I already said, and let's get started. So if you want to get to this page, you must click like these things. But first, since you are new at this, I'll get you started. So first, you're gonna have this page. So just first, you have to type in SCRATH, Scratch, and then type in .mit, and then the rest should show up for you. And if you should know, if you're new at Scratch, you'll like not have an account. To make an account, just type in a username. Make sure no one is using that username currently. So if I typed in cool dude, as you can see, it'll say sorry, that username already exists. So you have to make one that is not taken. And you have to choose your password. Say your password was 123456. 123456. And remember, the password has to be at least 6 characters long. Next, do all of this private information. Read them. I don't know where to go. And add your parents or guardian's email address. So after that, you'll just be done. And remember, you must confirm the email address and ask your parents to go and confirm it on the email place. And so you have an account. Mine is Flaming Fire 43. And so let's get started. As you can see, we have a completely new project. Now you may look at this Scratch Cat and say, what is this Scratch Cat doing here? Well, in every new project, this Scratch Cat is the first thing that'll pop out. This Scratch Cat is the Scratch website's logo. But most people don't use the Scratch Cat logo in their projects. So today we're going to be making a very short animation. These blocks will include motions, looks, and events. And that's pretty much it. So first we need to make a character. And to do that, we of course need to draw something. But sometimes we're just too lazy to draw anything. Since you're new, you don't know how to use this. Oh, well, what do we do? Well, there's this button called Add that you'll see right around this place, around the top part of the Scratch editor. And click on the one that says Add. In this one, there are a lot of weird sprites you can use. Yeah, choose a sprite. I am going to be using a dog. So let's look for a dog. A dog. Okay, we have a dog. A dog. And our goal is to make this dog move across the screen and say woof. Pretty simple, right? Well, along the new episodes and more tutorials, these animations and tutorials will get harder and harder, and soon we will be making professional games. And so let's get started. So first off, every single script starts with these ones. These are the things every single script will start with. So nothing can work without these blocks. I call them the starter blocks. And today we're only going to be using the when flag pressed. So as you may not or do know, you click this to start the game or whatever you have. So when a flag clicks, whatever is under this block will happen. So first let's drag him somewhere. When this is clicked, it'll go somewhere. To do that, drag him somewhere, the place you want him to start. Now let's put him, say, here. And you go to the motions and you'll see this block, you change him, he'll change too. So make him go somewhere. And as you can see, I drag him here and then I click the flag, boom, he goes there. Now, how do we make this dog go to the other side of the screen? There are two ways. One is the easy way, is drag him here and do this. So glide 1 sec. This is how long it will take for him to go to the location, which is here, of course. And let's see it work. So, and let's see if we made this a smaller number, like 0.3. As you can see, it'll work. It'll make him glide 0.3 seconds to that number spot. And the harder way, of course, is kind of complicated if you're new and you're a noob. You use this, and you see all of these blocks and the motions. Motions, as you may already know from the title, makes him move. Yeah. Let's make him say X. X is how far left or right he is. Y is how far high or low he is. So today we're going to be using X. There are two things we can use. We can either use move 10 steps or X. Let's use X. And it'll move. Really easy. So how does this work? This works because you see this repeat 10 loop? Whatever is inside this block, it will repeat 10 times. So if I put in this, you'll get, And you can make it repeat 40 times, 90 times, 80 times, whatever you want. You can do it as much as you want. And now we want our dog to move to the other side of the screen, right? And say woof. How do you say woof? There are two ways. We can do the sounds or the costumes or the looks or whatever. Today we're going to be using the looks. See all these purple blocks? Take the one that says say blank for blank sex. So we're going to be saying woof for 3 seconds. And now let's see this work. Now you have just created your first line of code. I'm done.